डॉक्टर अरे मत ओपन अपना ड्राइंग करवाएंगे
चले आवे
इस ड्राइंग और कलरिंग आज मैम कलरिंग करवाएंगी या ड्राइंग तो आज मैम ड्राइंग करवाएंगी या कलरिंग बिकॉज मैं एक न्यू स्टूडेंट हूँ
गुड इवनिंग टीचर
गुड इवनिंग टीचर गुड इवनिंग Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, everyone.
गुड इवनिंग मैम
Good evening, ma'am. Oh, I joined from the another device. Good evening, ma'am. I joined from the another device. Hi, Vaishaka. Phone में रख दूँ क्या? हाँ. I'm joined from the another laptop. कौन बोल रहा है? Oh, 100 का post में. कहाँ गया? ये माँ. पहली बार हमें A1 पोजीशन मिली है मतलब मैम हमने कौन से डॉक्टर क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे सबसे फर्स्ट पूछेंगे ये गुड मॉर्निंग मैम हाय फ्रेंड्स आज तो हमारा लकी डे है हेलो फ्रेंड्स मैम हेलो फ्रेंड्स मेरा ये चैप्टर भी करना पड़ा गुड मॉर्निंग मैम इसको चैप्टर गुड मैम इवनिंग मैम करेगी ना कुछ चैप्टर गुड इवनिंग
रिकॉर्डिंग कैसे लगाते थे
गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स गुड मॉर्निंग मैम
गुड इवनिंग
गुड मैम गुड इवनिंग ड्राइंग और कलरिंग गुड इवनिंग मैम today's drawing or coloring good evening ma'am good evening friends what is today drawing or coloring a drawing now drawing or coloring hello friends
Good evening, everyone. Can you all hear me? Can everyone hear my voice? Show me a thumbs up if you can hear my voice. Very good. So can you please, first of all, show me your Ravan, what you have done in the last class? Wow, amazing work. Yes, we will be doing the coloring of this and after that we'll be doing the practice. Okay. So we all have completed it till here. Now let us pick up the red color. Pick up the red color and I will start filling it inside this. We have not done anything till now. This is the first thing that we are doing. So I will fill the color inside this gem. Okay. So first of all, I will make a vertical shape like this inside. You have to make a long oval shape kind of thing. Okay, this is little pointed and we will fill the color outside it. Okay, not inside. So slowly and slowly, it should look like the pearl is shining. That's it. So you have to leave some space in the center and fill the color around. Okay. You all know the story of Ravan. How many of you know the story of Ravan? Yes. Okay. How many of you are done? Done with the gem? Okay. So now you know I will pick up the red color again and I will make a line inside. I have made it on the forehead. Okay. Now, as the Ravan was very angry, I will fill red color inside his eyeball as well. I want to make this Ravan very angry. Okay, so tell me how many of you have celebrated Dussehra? You created your own Ravan. I will fill the red color at the bottom of the eye also. Like this. See, now he's looking really angry, right? He has started looking angry now. Ravan drawing happened in the last class. Yes, 15th was a holiday, but 15th was Friday. We did it on 14th. Day before yesterday we did. Okay. So how many of you have done till here? Very good. Now pick up the orange color and we will make some detailing in the face. Okay. So I'm doing thin outline around the face inside. Like this. Yes, recording is available. I have shared it with everyone. And don't worry, I will share the recording again with today's recording. I'll share the recording of drawing also. Okay. So that you all can complete the Ravan drawing. Okay. I have made the outline inside the face. Okay. And now I will rub the color and merge it. I will merge it like this. Okay, so now I will rub the color and merge. I'll try to merge it. Okay, rub it. And now have you completed it till here? Okay, so now I want to add some details in his mukut also. Okay, so I'm looking for the golden color, not the golden, but yellow ochre. Let us pick up this yellow ochre color and let us do the outline inside, just like we have done it in face. Now you must be able to see that the face has started looking 3D. How many of you have noticed that it has started looking 3D now? Do you see? So this is the way to make anything look 3D. And you know how to do it. First, we have to apply the base color. Like here we have applied the yellow color. Here we applied the skin color. Now we will pick up the darker tone and we will make an outline around it. Okay. So I did the yellow color. Now I'm doing the outline of yellow ochre color. And now I will rub it and try to merge the color. Right? I will try to merge it. Right, and now you must be able to see that even the mukut has got the 3D effect. Do you see that? Yes. Okay, so now let us apply the same effect in the shield also. In the shield also, I want to add this yellow outline. Okay, inside also I'll do the outline. And now I will merge the color. I will rub it and try to merge it again. Okay. And now, how many of you have completed this also? Have you completed the coloring in the shield as well? Show me a thumbs up if you have completed. Very good. So now I will fill the color inside the dress. I'll start filling the color inside the dress of Ravan. Okay. So, you know, I want to add little details to Ravan's dress because it should not be that simple, right? So pick up your sketch pen and make a line, or you can do it using your pencil also. Make an outline around the neck. Very carefully. Make an outline around the neck. Okay. And after doing this, I will make circles. Okay. And now I will, at the bottom part, I will make V shape. Okay, like this. So now the dress of Ravan is looking little decorative. If you want, you can draw it at the bottom also. You can make the small V shapes at the bottom as well. Okay. So now we are done. How many of you have completed till here? Have you completed? Show me a thumbs up if you have completed. I see many students are still doing. Okay, complete this detailing. Complete this detailing, and after that, we will proceed further. You know, if you want, you can add details in the mukut also. You can draw, but it is not working. It will not work. Let it be. Okay, and now, since I'm done with this, how many of you have completed now? Pick up the yellow color because yellow is the brightest color and fill it in all the details that you have created. Okay, if you want to keep it white, like I want to keep these circles white, so I will leave them white, and I want to leave this part also white. Okay, so I will leave it white. And now let us pick up the red color and start filling it inside the dress of Ravan. Okay, so I've picked up the red color. I will start from this corner And very carefully, I will fill it because, I have to take care of these circles and small details, so I will go very small, small strokes. See, your focus should be completely on the artwork, and the strokes that you will be using should be very small, tiny, tiny strokes, so that your coloring would be neat and clean. Okay. So it is completed. Let us fill the color very carefully inside all the details, leaving it white, leaving the circles white. I'm doing very slowly. I'm not doing fast, okay? If you will do it hastily, it will get spoiled. So you have to take a lot of care. Take a lot of care while filling the color. Okay, so I have filled red color in his top, in his upper. Sorry, not the top, but the dress that he's wearing. And in the lower part, I will be filling the green color. First of all, complete the red color, everyone. See, just because of making these details, the dress has started looking so good now, right? Just by adding little bit of details. How many of you have completed? When you are done, you have to show me a thumbs up, okay? When you get done, show me a thumbs up. Okay. So now I will pick up the green color. Let us pick up the dark green color, this one, and I will start filling it in the bottom part of the dress. Okay. So in this bottom area, I will start filling the green color. Okay, so I have filled green color also. You know, this dress would come if we continue it, it will continue here also. So I will fill the color here as well. Okay, so we are done with the dress also. Now let us pick up the gray color. Pick up the gray color, everyone. We are going to make the sword of Ravan. Okay, we are going to make the sword and we have to make it look very sharp, right? So you know what I will do? I will draw a thin line using my pencil. I will use my pencil and draw a line like this. I'm not going to outline it, okay? I'm not going to outline it. Now, in the back line, back side, I will draw a line like this. And I will try to merge it. I will try to merge it like this. Okay, I did a line, a thin line, and then I'll rub the color to merge it. Okay, so now I will, you know, this pencil line I have drawn, I will draw it on the other side of this pencil line. See, the other side. And again, I'll repeat the same thing like this. Okay. And in the handle, I will fill the black color. Let us fill the black color inside the handle. So this is the sword of Ravan. And now the fire is left. We have to do something in the fire as well. So pick up the orange color. Pick up the orange color and start outlining inside the fire. You have to make it very pretty, okay? You have to make the fire very pretty. So I'm doing a thick outline. It is not that thin also, right? And you know, look here, everyone. Please look here. That, you know, I will at the corners, I will try to come little downwards with the orange color. See what I've done? I have made the orange color little deeper. Okay, so this is how we have to go inside the orange color. I will come little deeper. Every time I'll come downwards and I will make thick line. Make sure there should be some yellow color inside, okay? Like this one is very thin. So I'm not going to make thick lines inside because I want yellow color also to be visible, right? So take a lot of care of that. That yellow color should also be visible. Okay. I'm doing it this side also. Okay, and I have done this. See how nice it is looking, right? We have made the fire. And now inside the fire, I will again merge the color. I want to merge the color again so that it would look like 3D. It would start looking so good. Okay, if you see, I'm merging the color. Merge, merge, merge. And to merge, you have to rub. So rub the color. Okay, I have done fill the color. And now, how many of you are done with this? Have you completed with this? Okay, completed. Completed, I'm waiting. I'm waiting. Okay. How many of you are done? Done this much? Good. Okay. So now you have to pick up the red color. Okay. Pick up the red color and we will do the outline of the fire with red color. Okay. So pick up the red color and do a thin line. And you know, just by doing this one line, you will see the difference. How nice the fire is looking, so bright. Is it looking good, everyone? Yes? Very good. Okay, so I'm doing a very thin line of red color and my fire would be also done. And now just the background would be left. Okay. Right, so it is done till here. How many of you have completed? When you get done with this, let me know. You have to show me a thumbs up when you are done with the fire also, okay? Okay, now, how many of you have completed? Okay, completed. I'm waiting. Completed. And you have to, all those who get done, they have to write done in the chat box. Okay. Write done in the chat box so that I can know that, okay, you are done. Okay. Okay. So now I will start doing it in the background. But before that, see, this is my complete drawing. Just a minute. Okay. Many of you are done. First of all, tell me, are you enjoying this Ravan drawing? How many of you are enjoying this Ravan drawing? Show me a thumbs up if you are doing and show me a thumbs down if you are not. All right. Okay. So now pick up a circle. Pick up a circle and keep it on the face of Ravan. In fact, we need even bigger circle, but I don't have any bigger circle than this. Okay. We need a circle which is larger than the face of Ravan. This is better. Okay, so I need a circle which is larger than Ravan's face, right? So now what I'll do, I will keep it like this and it is bigger than Ravan's face. Can you all please show me a circle? Good. Now you have to keep it at the side. Not because Ravan is not a god, right? So we are not going to keep it at the back, but we will keep it at the side. We are making an evening scene because Ravan was killed in wartime. So that is why we are making an evening scene. So I have made a sun here. Okay. Right? Okay. And now we will pick up this brown color. Pick up light brown color. And I will start filling it from here, from the lower part. Okay. Let us start filling it from the lower part. Okay, you fill it and start filling it in the background. Okay. I will start filling it in the background. Okay, so I'm making a darker to lighter tone so that this would be the sun at the back, which is a sunset. And we will give it a nice evening effect. Okay. So now tell me, why Lord Ram killed Ravan? Why was he killed by Ram? Who will tell me? Navika. Yes, Navika. Turn on your camera.
Ma'am, because Ravan has kidnaps Ram's wife Sita.
Yes, very good. And that is why he killed. Now tell me, who helped Lord Ram to fight the army of Ravan? It was huge and there were so many Rakshasas, you know, so many monsters and demons were there in Ravan's army. So who helped Lord Ram? Bharat. Yes. Bharat, unmute yourself.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Supreme Maharaj, ma'am.
Very good. He helped Lord Ram. Okay, so I have filled brown color till here. Now onwards, I will fill the brown color, but I'll do it very light. Okay, light, like a background. Okay, and all would be in one direction. Okay, you will not change your direction in the background. When we change the direction in the background, now it starts looking really messy. So we have to take a lot of care. Like I have started doing vertically. So I'm going to do it vertically now only. I will not change my direction. And keep doing till here. Now tell me, who was Hanuman? Have you heard of Hanuman? What are the powers of Hanuman? Tell me. Who will tell me what are the powers of Hanuman? Hanuman is our Indian superhero, right? So do you know the powers of Hanuman? He was a very important role in the whole story. None of you know. He could increase his size. He could fly in the sky. He could be very big and very small. Okay, so I'm merging it. See, I'm trying to mix it so that, you know, it looks from darker to lighter. Right? I'm doing all the coloring in vertical direction. If you have started horizontal, follow that. You have to follow your direction. Very important. Oh yes, Yakshit said that no weapons could harm Hanumanji. That was also one of the powers. Is there anything else? He was the one who was able to find Sita Ma and share Ram Bhagwan's anguti, the ring. And he told her that don't worry, Lord Ram is coming to save you. Okay, so Okay. So with this, our Ravan is completed. Okay, if you want, you can apply little bit of yellow color around the sun. Okay, like I'm doing, little bit inside the sun and little bit around it. So it will give a very nice effect. And this is how the final drawing is looking. So how many of you are done? Can you show me your drawing? Wow, Meenakshi, this is beautiful wand. Magic wand you have got. Wonderful. Now look at your Ravan and tell me, are you happy with the Ravan? Show me a big thumbs up and a big smile if you are. It has come out so well and you have done a great job. Everyone lift it up. Just a minute, let me capture it also. See, you all have done great job. I'm very happy to see. Yes. So this is our Ravan, our Vijayadashmi special drawing. Now everyone, please lift it up and bring it close to the screen so that it would be visible clearly. Haritha, Suvarna, lift up your drawings. Very good. Harshita, this is so good. Very nice. Spurti, Nidhi, it is beautiful. Jenish, outstanding work. Vidit, Swara, amazing work. Very good. And this is my work that we have learned in the class. Wonderful. So now let me take a quick test. Who will tell me that how to give this kind of 3D effect? If you want to give this kind of 3D effect in any of the object, how to do that? Who will tell me the complete process? Raise your hand if you know. If you were listening to me, you will remember. I said many times in the class. Ruthvi will tell us. Yes, Ruthvi.
And color the cap first, then we can use the dark yellow and we can fill it in the cap.
Very good. What we have to do, okay, let us do some practice here. Let us do some practice here, everyone. Take out a rough paper or a blank paper. I will also take another sheet. I'll take a... Okay, so now let us draw a leaf. Okay, let us make a C and another C. Now, if I want to give this leaf a 3D effect, yes, Meenakshi, unmute yourself. So first of all, I will fill the green color inside.
Ma'am, I buy this from the shop.
Very good. It is beautiful.
This is Princess Magic Wand.
Wow. I love it. It is beautiful, Meenakshi. Okay, so I have filled the green color inside first of all. Okay. And then I will pick up the dark green color and I will pick up the dark green color and I will do an outline. You know, whenever you are making any drawing, if you want to give 3D effect to it, this is the method how you can do it. Okay, very important. So pay attention to it. We have done outline and now when we will rub it, everyone is doing with me now. You have to do it with me and I will check it. And when you will merge it, it will start looking like 3D. Okay, rub, rub, rub. And see, if you have done, you have to show me. Very good. Prithvi, very good. Very nice. Amazing. So now I will make a circle and I will try this again in a circle also. I'm doing it using a marker. If you want, you can do it using a pencil and then outline it with a marker, okay? And let us do it with pink color, right? We have never tried it with pink color. So I have picked up the pink color and I will start filling it inside this ball. First of all, the coloring should not go out of the shape, okay? Keep doing the outlines first and then fill the color. Then you have to fill in one direction, like if I'm going diagonally, you have to fill in one direction. You will not change your direction of coloring. And there should be no white space in the area where you are filling the color. Very important. Okay. So, you know, Diwali is coming and how many of you are excited for Diwali? We are going to make Diwali cards. So, you know, now onwards, we will be doing Diwali stuff. Okay. On daily basis, we are going to learn something related to Diwali because Diwali has a lot of stuff. So I'll be telling you different stuff what you can make for Diwali. Okay. Everyone is ready for Diwali? Yes. Right. So I have filled pink color inside and now I will pick up again the dark pink color. I will do the outline with the dark pink color. Okay. And now I will rub the color. Merge it. You have to rub the color and see this ball has also started looking 3D, right? If you are done, you have to show me. When you get done, very good, wonderful. Okay, so how many of you like to do watercolors? Tell me. Yes, watercolors. Okay. So from next class, I'm going to put an announcement on the application also that from next class, we have to be ready with watercolors. Okay. Because we are going to do a lot of coloring with watercolor and we are going to prepare so many colorful sheets. So I'll send complete material and Tuesday onwards, we will be doing that. Okay. All right, everyone. It will be including little bit of craft also, little bit of drawing also. So it is going to be a complete thing. I hope it is fine. How many of you have completed the circle? Show me. Brilliant. Very good. Okay. Nice. So by now you must be knowing that how to create that 3D effect. Okay. So bye-bye. In the next class, we'll meet in the next class. You have to be updated on the application so that you can get the material of next class, right? Because we are going to start our Diwali stuff from Tuesday onwards. Okay. So with this, I'll wind up with the class. Bye-bye. Bye, everyone. Take care. Thank you so much. And one more thing, you have to share your artworks with me on my WhatsApp. You have to share, okay? My WhatsApp number is, I'm sharing it with you so that you can WhatsApp me. Because, you know, now we are going to promote some of the students to junior batch because I see that many of you have started doing amazing work. 7617410911. You have to WhatsApp me on this number. This is the number. Okay, WhatsApp me and you have to share your artwork with me. Okay, bye-bye, everyone. Take care. Thank you so much. Bye.